What is going on? Let's get into it. So the car is finally back from the paint booth, and man, it's super excited. I can finally move on to the next step, which it's a lot of them. First thing first, we have a bunch of carbon fiber over here to unbox and really get into it. But man, I'm really excited because I've had the CRX for about 3-4 years, and to be honest, I've never really liked the way the CRX looked. But it was only $1,000 and it gets really loud with sound system. So that's why I bought it. But after seeing the car with the body kit and now with the wheels on there, your boy loves the car. Like, it completely took a whole different demeanor. So yeah, now I'm ready to go. Now I'm super excited to work on it. But nevertheless, I have been stacking up on carbon fiber pieces for 2 years to go on this car, so I'm really finna break everything down to you, open everything up, and show you what we have going on. So let's get it. I'm so excited, y'all. So pretty much I'm gonna work my way on what I have for the outside of the vehicle first, and then we kind of can go into the vehicle. First thing first, I guess we'll pop open this one right here. If you have like some really cool imports that you want some dope carbon fibers, I want to like the Acura Integra, Prelude, stuff like that, man. Specialcarbonfiber.com. They have a bunch of parts. They do make it to order, so it does takes a few weeks to get here, but oh well. It is real carbon fiber. That's what I like about it. But first things first, we have this dope carbon fiber gas tank cover that yeah, it's gonna be fire. All you do is add the 3M on the back side of it, so that's gonna look absolutely amazing. I did get a lot of Mugen parts for the car. For those who don't know, Mugen is like it's a company who literally just makes parts for Hondas back in the day. And so here we go. I have right here, this is gonna go on my side mirrors. And I have no idea if it has any functionality. I highly doubt it that it does, but I got it because it looks amazing. And pretty much it has like a double-sided tape right here, so it kind of molds. And it's like a little, supposed to be a sun blocker for your mirrors. I doubt they work. Don't care if they work. They look good. We end up getting the side mirrors color matched with the entire car because of this, because I originally wanted to do the side mirrors black, but these will not stand out. They would kind of blend in with the side mirrors being black. But now they look absolutely amazing. So we have this right here for the side mirrors. So we do have the West Wing replica body kit on the car, and so I have a few carbon fiber pieces I want to go in here. So this is one of the first pieces I got. This is going on the front bumper. I actually got this before I even had the body kit, which is crazy. I knew I wanted to have it on there, and it's pretty much kind of universal fit. But yeah, this piece is absolutely huge. I mean, I can't remember where I got it from. I'm pretty sure it was off of eBay, on one of the listings. But yes, this is gonna go on underneath the front bumper. This is gonna be on the passenger side. And then I open where's it at? Thing I left in the car. Here it goes. And then this is the other side of it. So yeah, so this is gonna be the other side for the driver's side. So yeah, it's gonna look nasty. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. I can't wait. Okay, so set this over here for right now. Side skirts, here we go. Now this is what I have for my side skirts. Same thing, the carbon fiber. This is gonna go on the back of the rear, so it's not the entire side skirts, but more so towards the back. Quickly, easy, 3M double-side tape with 3 mounting screws. This is gonna be on both sides. Oh, I can't wait. Like, I don't know if you guys have ever done a rebuild before or done a restoration. Man, plan it out 10 times over. It doesn't matter how much you have planned, how much you have budget, you're gonna go over a lot. And it's not even the big stuff. It'd be like the small stuff, like the gaskets. You shouldn't even think about. Like those be just astronomical. So yeah. So here we go with the other driver side skirts. So it's just a little accent. It's not too much. The car's gonna be pretty much blue and white, but with carbon fiber as far as the third color, I guess, for the accent pieces. So set those diff right there. And then we have, what's this one? Oh, that's the gas tank cover. And then we have these little buggers. Now, I don't know what these are. It's like a little aerodynamics, little winglets. I don't care if they work or not. This is the go. I have 4 of them. They're different sizes, but pretty much, so like on the front bumper on each side, they pretty much will be like stacked up. Oh, well, if I get the right ones. But you get the point. Either way, they go on each side, the double side tape, and they pretty much go on top of each other on the side of the front bumper, right above the carbon fiber. So just give a little double accents, just make them look beautiful. So, and that is all the carbon fiber so far for the outside. And now, as far as inside, what I have so far is I have a Mugen carbon fiber shifter. Of course, to go with the Mugen side mirror sun blocker. So that's gonna look really cool. And then for the main piece, the main attraction, I think, is my baby right here. Now this thing right here costs probably about $500. I bought it 2 years ago and I've yet to use it. But nevertheless, it doesn't matter. Whew, look at this thing, y'all. So we're gonna have a carbon fiber steering wheel with the chameleon color shift on the middle. And if you go a little closer, I did swap it out for the Mugen carbon fiber air horn. So our press it has a little Mugen on it, just so it can match everything else. But yeah, I'm gonna get some really close-ups on this steering wheel. But man, it's absolutely beautiful. Like when you open the box, you can smell all the acrylic and all the epoxy from the carbon fiber. But yeah, so that's gonna be the steering wheel. And to pair that up with that, we have some NRG. I think this is the quick shifter. I can't remember the 3.0. I can't remember which one it is, but this one also have the carbon fiber on the paddles for the quick release. So when you pop it off, it pulls off. So this right here pretty much will be attached to the back of the steering wheel. So that's kind of how it's gonna look in the car. So when I go to release it, oh yeah, you catch the vibe, you get the vibes, and then of course, this is just the shorting ring. This is the carbon fiber, but just gonna show you since it's already up here. And yeah, man, that's just about it, man. It's so many things going on. I'm so excited. You know how you try to plan for things to go a certain way, and then in your head, and technically it doesn't work out that way, but nevertheless, the car is here. The parts are ready to go on, man. I'm so excited. I'm so glad, hyped for you guys to stay tuned and see my vision come to fruition. The sound system. I'm gonna do that next. I'm gonna bring the sound system in here and show you guys what we have going on so far in there. Definitely, you know, right now, I'm already planning version 2 and version 3. I really want to take the carbon fiber to the next level on the outside and the interior. And then I want to get a hold of the engine bay. Now, the engine bay is going to get painted white, and we're going to do a lot of custom work inside the engine bay. But for right now, we gotta do it one step at a time. So the car is done, we're gonna finish the outside of it, then work on the inside. Then we're gonna start making it super special, adding the expensive carbon fiber pieces, the carbon fiber cowl, the wing, all the cool stuff we'll add to later. But nevertheless, thank y'all for tuning in. I'm gonna give some more footage and B-roll of all the carbon fiber up close so you can really see the dope weave. But as always, let's get it.